Hey everyone, it's so nice to see you all today. Welcome back and let's get crafting. I started out with the Dollar Tree charger plate and a printed picture. Then, matching the center of the picture and the charger plate, I placed the picture on the back side of the charger plate and stuck it in place with the masking tape. It is important to match the center of the picture and the center of the charger plate so the end product wouldn't be distorted. Once the picture is stuck in place, all we have to do is use the glass paint liner and make the dots along the lines of the picture. Making the dots while holding the charger plate away from your body is difficult, so my dots are not perfect, but I had to do this so you can see what I'm doing. If you feel that you can't make perfect dots, if you can make just acceptable dots, I think the picture still will look beautiful. This is my first attempt at this kind of dot painting, and to tell you the truth, I kind of like it. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, I hope you like my work, and if you are a repeat audience, I hope you continue to like my work. Some of you might think making dots like this can be tedious or boring, but trust me, it gets done pretty quickly. Wherever the design is not present, those spaces were empty, so I made up a design on my own to fill those spaces up. Now I'm sticking the border design underneath the border of the charger plate. It was actually the whole design, but I cut it in two parts, the center and the border. Once the border dots were done, I took out the paper underneath the border of the charger plate because I wanted to embellish it some more and I wasn't getting a good idea when the paper was present. The white paint I have used is from another country, but you can always use dimensional tulip paints or whichever paints available to you wherever you live. Now my favorite part, sticking the jewels and the pearls. I really enjoy it. I think the pearls and the jewels give a royal look to the craft. What do you think? For painting, flip the plate right side down and paint the back side of the plate. And here's the final look. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.